Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. Today we are talking about Mihlali Ndamase's mother. Now, one thing about being a celebrity, Hashem, you don't have any privacy, guys. You really don't have any privacy. And to think that Umama Mihlali became famous because of Mihlali. Now, iindaba zakhe sezihamba emoyeni. People are just talking about her. So it is alleged by Umusa Kawula that Mihlali Ndamase's mom paid the side chick to leave her boyfriend alone. So I guess Mihlali's mother found out that the boyfriend was cheating, and then she was like, you know what, let me just pay off this girl to leave my boyfriend alone. It seems like the girl didn't leave the boyfriend alone. That is why they are trending right now. So this is what was posted by Umusa Kawula. He said, meet Nontobeko, who is in a relationship and also colleagues with Mihlali Ndamase's stepfather, Rene Chitende. Mihlali Ndamase's mother, Phumla Ndamase Chitende, has paid Nontobeko money so she stays away from her husband, Rene Chitende. Okay, so it's not the boyfriend, it's the husband. Guys, apparently they are married, right? I didn't know that. So kuthiwa ke sana Mihlali's mother paid the side chick named Unontobeko. And guys, you know what's worse about the situation is that the side chick is also colleagues with Mihlali Ndamase's stepfather. So whether you pay her off or you don't, they are still going to meet at work during those hours. You never know what happens, you really never know what happens. But I think she did a very, very careless move by paying the side chick, because obviously the person will take the money and then they will just continue dating behind your back. So I think it was not a really good move. But yes, guys, this is the picture of Mihlali Ndamase's stepfather with the side chick / colleague Unontobeko. This picture was also posted by Umusa Kawula under that post. And then one thing about Umusa Kawula, he will always plug us, guys. Musa Kawula will always plug us with Umgosi. And this is one of the Mgosis that he plugged us with. There was also an audio that was leaked. It is alleged it was Mihlali's stepfather complimenting the side chick / colleague, saying, hey, girl, your private part is doing the things. I enjoy it. Your private part is doing things. Hey, it's giving me goosebumps. I'm in it, I'm in it to win it. But it is still alleged because we really don't have proof that it is him. It's just audio, guys. Voice, shame, voice. But Mihlali's mother, I tried to pay off the side chick. Girl, please stay away from my man. Please stay away from him. Stay away from my man, And yeah, it was a very, very careless move. Now she's trending for paying side chicks. People now will be dating her husband, hoping to get money because they know she has money for days. She will just pay me off and then I leave the husband alone. But that's just my 2 cents. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, please like this video, and also watch the ads. Please watch the ads, guys. You can also support the channel by buying super thanks. I would really appreciate it. I will see you on my next one. Bye.